Beautiful day, sun in the sky, birds all singing while my patience dies. Grass so high I can't see my feet, sweat dripping down in this summer heat. I pull that cord one time, two time, that damn thing cough then dies one more time. Gas tank full, oil looking right, still won't start and I'm losing my mind. Ooh, this fucking mower won't start. This piece of shit won't start. Pull it, still won't start. This bitch ass mower won't start. Fuck this mower, fuck this yard, fuck this cord pulling way too hard. Fuck this plug, fuck this gas, fuck this engine laughing at my ass. I clean that carb, I check that shit, still this motherfucker won't do shit. Neighbor's yard looking clean and bright, mine looks like a damn crime site. Hey! Ooh, this fucking mower won't start. Hey! This piece of shit won't start. Ooh, fuck that cord, still won't start. This bitch ass mower won't start. Goddamn bugs all over my face. This bitch ass mower is a fucking disgrace. Sweat in my eyes, rage in my soul. One more pull and I'm losing control. Piece of shit machine, dead ass hard. Whole damn day and it still won't start. I swear this mower got beef with me. Fuck that lawn and fuck that tree. Hey! Ooh, this fucking mower won't start. Hey! This piece of shit won't start. Ooh, fuck that cord, still won't start. This bitch ass mower won't start. Hey! Hey! Whole damn day in the burning sun, still this motherfucker won't run. Hands smell like fuel, so smell like rage. I'm about to throw this bitch across the stage. Pull that cord till my back gon' snap. Sweat running down through my work ass pants. Birds keep singing like everything cool. Meanwhile I'm losing the war to a tool. I hate this mower with my whole damn soul. It stole my peace and it killed my flow. Every time I pull it laughs in my face. This backyard turned into a war zone place. I don't need therapy, I need it to start. Before I rip this machine apart, I came outside for a simple chore. Now I hate this mower more and more. This fucking mower won't start. This piece of shit won't start. Fuck that cord, still won't start. This bitch ass mower won't start. Hey! Fuck this mower, still won't start. The mower won't start. The mower won't start.